Hey guys, welcome back again. So in this video, we're going to understand one more string interview question which has been asked in many interview rounds. So which is toggle each character in a string. So what does it mean? So first we need to understand what is it. So then we can go ahead and we can write a code. So for that, I'll be going to the editor and I'll show you an example what I mean by toggle each character in a string. So this has been asked in many interview questions as well. They just give a string directly and you need to uh, I'll show you the example. So this video problem is toggle each character in a string. So I'll show you over here in the editor. So let me go back to the editor over here. So here we have the example. I'm showing you the example. The example is very simple. See, let's say I have a string like this. The learning mighty. Okay, this is a string which has been entered. So toggle each character. What does it mean? So the output should be something like this. Learning. This is what the output should be like this. So if a string contain capital letter, that you need to convert into a smaller case. If it is an uppercase, you need to convert into a lower case. Got it? So this is what the example is. So this is how you're going to toggle each character in a string. So this is the example. If you see the THE, T is capital, HE is small. But in the output one, means which we need to find out the output for this, T has to be smaller case and HE has to be a lower case. Upper case. Right? So this is what the example is. So we'll write a code for this. The first step, what we need to do is we need to take an input of a string, right? Okay, so let's take an input of a string over here. Okay, so for that we need scanner n is equal to new scanner, right, of system dot in. Okay, so let's import this scanner over here so that we need to use this in our code. So let's take input of a string and we store it in a variable. So that would be string data type. Str is the variable which I'm going to store my string, which I'm going to enter in dot next. Okay, so toggle each character. So how we need to do? So first thing, toggle each character in the sense we need to go each and every character, means we need to do the iteration so that we can able to visit each and every character. Let's say you have a character called THE. So we need to go for T to check whether it's an uppercase or lowercase. If it is uppercase, we need to convert it into a lowercase. If it is lowercase, we need to convert it into a uppercase, right? So first we'll iterate or we'll visit all the characters in a string. So by using loop, you can use two different methods. In the previous video, I have showed you to use enhance for loop. So let's take that example. In upcoming videos, I'll show you another method of reading a string. Okay, so like this for a char ch. So our string is str dot to, we are converting that string to a characters of array. So to char of array like this. Got it? Simple. So now we are visiting every character in a string. So now we are going to check if this character is uppercase or a lowercase. Okay. So for that we already have a method here, character dot uppercase. Okay, character, oh oops, character dot is uppercase. Okay, we are going to check whether it's a uppercase or not. This is going to return a boolean value. So inside this we are going to pass our character. So character dot is uppercase is going to check whether the given character is an uppercase or a lowercase. See, ch, we are passing our first character. So if it's uppercase, we'll go inside and we'll make it lowercase. If it is not uppercase, in case if it is lowercase, means it will come to our else statement. Obviously, we'll come to know it's a lowercase. We're going to convert that lowercase into a uppercase, right? So first we'll convert this. We know First character, if it is a uppercase means we need to convert to a lowercase. So for that is very simple. Again, character dot to lowercase. Okay, to lowercase we pass that character. So here that character is going to convert into a lowercase. See, first you are going to give a separate string. At last you are going to get a separate string. So which means first string has to be there, we can't able to change it, but we need to store the updated string in a separate string. So for that I'm going to create a one more variable called string2. So very simple, just I'll do copy and paste, that's all, nothing much. So this is our first string, this is going to our second string, where we are going to change whatever the toggle character which we are going to do, that data or that string I'm going to store this inside this string variable. So here we are converting that character into a lowercase, right? So that I'm going to store over here. str2 is equal to, so here I'm not going to give input over here, I just need to store it, that's all. This is an empty string. Okay, so first this will be empty. For that empty string we are going to add the character. Got it? Same way, same case, character, if it is a lowercase we need to convert it into a uppercase. Okay, so character dot to uppercase. Okay, so we're passing the same character. Then for that same character we are going to store it in a string2 variable like this. So I'll give an example, very simple. Okay, so let's assume you have a character called T H E. Okay, T is capital. So this condition is going to check whether it's a uppercase or not. So T is uppercase over here, right? T is uppercase over here. Okay, let me put it over here. See, T is uppercase, so it will go to over here. So which means it's going to convert this uppercase to a, oh wait, if it is uppercase we can, okay, so this is uppercase, so this is uppercase, here it is going to be true, then we are converting the T into small t, right? So that we are storing in this string variable. So now str2 will be t, right? So now the second loop, h will come. H is uppercase, no, it's a lowercase, so it will go over here, so it will convert into a uppercase. So now the string will 2 will be, which already have is t, now it is going to add h in capital letter. Got it? Again it is going to check for the is uppercase or lowercase. It's a lowercase, so it will come over here. Since it's a lowercase, we are converting that lowercase into uppercase, so then it is going to be this. Got it? So that's why before here it will be at this one t, for the t itself we are adding h and he. Clear? No confusion? So if you got confusion, repeat this video, so and see this video again. So here our logic is done very simple. I'll explain it again. What we are going to do is, a string will be entered, we are going to iterate every character in that string. If any of the character is a uppercase, we'll convert that character into a lowercase and store it in a separate string variable. Got it? If it is a lowercase, we are converting it into a uppercase and storing it the same string variable. Simple. So now at the end, we're going to print our string. So like this, I'm going to do like this. Okay. This is our, the entered string is, I'm going to print that same string as well. Entered string is, so what's the string? str, right? Okay. Next one, the entered string is this one, and toggled string is, toggle string is. So here we need to print which one? String 2, right? Okay, let's run this code, and very simple. So let me first enter a string over here. Okay, so here it is running. I'm going to give learning mighty. So the learning mighty. So see, T capital, L capital, M capital. If I enter, it's going to look like something like this. So the learning mighty like this, so which we have entered. And the toggle one, see, T became small, L became small, M became small, and all the text is in capital letter. So let's run again. So here I'm going to give as all smaller case APPLE, it convert into all capital letter. So now I'm going to give a new word. Okay, new word. So now new word has been toggled each character from lowercase to uppercase, uppercase to lowercase. So this is how our output look like. Got it? I hope you guys understood this small piece of code. This been asked in many difficulty level string related questions or difficulty level lead code questions. This kind of question being asked most of the time, and this question has been asked in most of the interview as well. So if you didn't understand, please see the video, repeat this video again, and you're going to understand very easily. Very simple. Just need to keep the logic in your mind. That's all. Okay. Very simple. Cool. Relax. All right. If you have learned this code, please do like this video, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, and let's meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye. Bye bye.